Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video we'll be working here guys on a Fiat 500 guys, and we will show you if your door does not open from the outside. You pull the door handle but the door does not open. Doesn't matter if it's left or right side. We'll show you guys what are the top reasons for that and how to fix it guys. Quick introduction to the channel guys. Every single car we get at the shop we make at least 200 videos. On Fiat 500 we have probably close to 300-400 videos guys. Why? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video guys, so we can keep providing these free videos. If you need to buy any tools, any parts for your Fiat 500 guys, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see where we purchase almost everything from. We share it for your convenience guys. So this is a 2015 Abarth that we'll demonstrate on, but doesn't matter if you have a Abarth or non-Abarth Fiat, the procedure should be practically the same guys. Now, what are guys the reasons, okay, for your door not to open from the outside? Okay, you pull the door handle, door does not open. Why guys? Okay, let's explain what can cause that now. We have everything taken apart and we'll have guys multiple videos on that door. If you want to see how to replace door handle, we have the video door lock actuator, we'll have that video as well. But reason number one guys, if you come on the inside, okay, let's have somebody pull the door. Okay, let me focus quick. Okay, check it out how that linkage pulls guys. If that linkage is unhooked, okay, it comes loose, it breaks, you will pull the door handle, your door will not open guys at all. So that's number one guys, that's the most common one. Okay, that bushing on top gets wore out and as a result, okay, that linkage falls out pretty easy. Another thing, it can fall off from where it attaches to the door lock actuator. Okay, right there, that's a common reason too guys. Number two, it could be a broken exterior door handle right here. Okay, that's possible too. You will need to remove the door panel to inspect all that. And if all that checks out guys, okay, it's a bad door lock actuator. We'll go ahead, remove ours, and we'll show you guys what it looks like and we'll explain more about that. So make sure you stay with us until the end. So this is guys, okay, the door lock actuator. This is the linkage that opens your door from the outside. Okay, that thing right here is the one that opens your door from the outside. And if guys, okay, the mechanism, okay, either the linkage is not connected to the door handle, not connected here, it comes loose, okay, and as a result guys, okay, it will not move the actuator, or it could be a broken handle or most likely internal problem guys in the door lock actuator. You need to remove it and make sure that everything's connected. If everything looks good, then it's a bad actuator. So hopefully guys the video will be helpful. If you need to purchase parts, we'll have the links in the description of the video below. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.